Archaeologists use the trowel a lot. This is a 4-inch pointing trowel, although mine's quite worn down. Anne's is a bit bigger and is a bit sharper and probably a bit easier to use. Don't be afraid of the trowel, and don't be afraid of the ground. Use the flat edge of the trowel to scrape along the ground and to sort of lift the soil up in layers. The act of digging is quite tactile. So feel your way as much as looking your way. And you can see here I'm peeling off this brown soil and coming down onto the yellowy stuff.